Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a sleek, modern concrete candle holder using a silicone mold. Trust me, this project is as fun as it is rewarding. And by the end, you'll have a stunning piece to light up your space. Let's dive in. We start by designing the mold in a 3D modeling software like Blender or Fusion 360 or Rhino 3D. Next up, it's time to bring our design into the real world. We're 3D printing the model using ABS filament. This printed piece will serve as the core of our mold-making process. It takes a few hours. Once the print is done, it's a bit rough around the edges. To get that polished look, we apply some putty to fill in any imperfections, then sand it down with fine grit sandpaper. Look at that! A super smooth surface ready for the next step. Now, we're setting the stage for mold making. I'm gluing the 3D printed model to a flat surface to keep it steady. Then, I cover it with a thin layer of sculpting clay. This clay acts as a barrier and helps us create a clean mold later. Patience is key here. Time to make things sturdy. We're building a fiberglass backing mold around the clay-covered model. I'm layering fiberglass sheets and resin, making sure it's nice and strong. This backing will support our silicone mold, so we want it to be rock solid. Once the fiberglass is fully cured, usually after a few hours, we carefully remove the sculpting clay from the model. This leaves us with the 3D printed piece still attached to the base and the fiberglass backing ready for action. Look at that clean separation. Now, we're setting up for the silicone pour. I'm gluing the fiberglass backing at a precise distance from the 3D printed model to create a cavity. This gap is where the magic happens. It's where we'll pour the silicone to form our mold. Here's where it gets exciting. We mix and pour molding silicone into the space between the fiberglass backing and the printed model. This silicone will capture every detail of our design. We fill it up, smooth it out, and let it cure for 24 hours. The moment of truth. After a day, we carefully remove the silicone mold from the setup. Now it's time to mix some concrete. Nice and smooth, no lumps. We pour the concrete into the silicone mold. Tap it to remove air bubbles and let it set for about 30 minutes. And just like that, our candle holder is ready. Pop it out of the mold, give it a quick clean, and voila! In just half an hour, we've got a stunning handmade concrete candle holder that's ready to shine. Thanks for joining me on this crafty adventure. If you loved this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY projects, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to make next. Until then, keep creating and stay awesome.